Scientists just printed a brain, and it talked back. Real neurons, artificial neurons, having a conversation. For the very first time in human history, for decades, scientists have dreamed of one thing: merging machines with the human brain, not in a science fiction way, in a real, practical, life-changing way. Imagine giving sight back to someone who is blind, restoring movement to someone paralyzed, letting someone who cannot speak communicate again. But every single attempt hit the same wall. The artificial neurons scientists built could imitate the brain, but they could never truly talk to it. The signals were wrong, the biology rejected them. Until 10 days ago, when a team at Northwestern University changed everything. They did not build artificial neurons from rigid silicon like everyone before them. They printed them, using electronic inks made from nanoscale flakes of a material called molybdenum disulfide, deposited onto a soft, flexible surface, like printing on paper. But what came out was a brain cell. These printed neurons generated electrical signals so realistic, so perfectly matched to how real neurons fire, that when scientists placed them next to actual slices of mouse brain tissue, the real neurons responded. They fired back. A printed artificial neuron and a living biological neuron having a conversation. Published in Nature Nanotechnology, April 15, 2026. Think about what this actually means. A paralyzed person could have electronics implanted that speak directly to their nervous system and move their limbs again. A blind person could have a device that sends visual signals directly to their brain and see again. A person with hearing loss could receive sound signals that their brain actually understands and hear again. And because these devices are printed from flexible, low-cost materials, not expensive rigid silicon, they could eventually be produced at scale, accessible, affordable, for everyone. The lead scientist said, "The world we live in today is dominated by artificial intelligence. But to truly merge AI with biology, we need new materials, new ways to build electronics. This is that moment. We are not just building smarter computers anymore. We are building computers that think and feel like us." The line between human and machine just got a little thinner. A team of engineers, some electronic ink, a printer, and they just opened a door that has been locked since the beginning of science. This is what happens when human curiosity meets artificial intelligence. Follow this channel because I cover the stories that are actually changing what it means to be human every single week.